If you have a commercial or domestic building, then you will require an EPC when it is sold or let.
If a building has a common heating system, then the seller or prospective landlord can prepare, or make available, an EPC for the whole building.
This EPC may then be made available for any part of the building subsequently offered for sale or let.
There are, on the other hand, some commercial premises which are exempt in having a commercial EPC.
For a lot more details on our commercial energy performance certificate services together with our full range of other energy assessment services,
please get in touch with our energy specialists via our site by clicking the link below.